This is a tutorial for your traveler dance. So if you're facing the audience, you're going to enter from stage left from the front curtain. You're going to take the girls to around the center stage, and then you are going to come off to the left side of them, and you're going to do the chorus, which is fear, right arm above your left arm, and then right foot is in B plus behind your left foot. Fear not, for I have redeemed you. I've called you by name. This is your left arm. You are mine. Fear not, for I have redeemed you. I've called you by name. You are mine. And then there's a little break. You can put your arms down and then look over and smile at the girls. And then it goes into verse 1, which is if you're scared of the dark, give yourself a little hug, point your right foot. I'll be your guiding light. Right arm, point your left foot. If the floodwaters come, bring your right arm down, point your right foot. They won't wash you aside, back up to that arabesque. If the floodwaters come, they won't wash you aside. If you're caught in a storm, right arm above, left arm to the side, right leg in B plus. I'm a safe place to hide. You're just gonna switch your arms. Don't be afraid, I am with you. And then it's the chorus, fear not, for I have redeemed you. I've called you by name, you are mine. And then right after that, you're gonna go into 5th position, croisé with your right leg forward, or your right foot in front. You're gonna bring your right foot, and do a rond de jambe while your left arm goes above and your right arm to the side. So it's like this. If you need a friend, sorry, I'll do that smoother. If you need a friend, it's 2. If you need a friend, so it's just switching, I won't let you down. And then you're gonna step onto this one quick. You feel the earth shaking, so that's, you're stepping onto your right, jeté with your left, and then to an arabesque with your right leg up and left arm up. I'm your solid ground. If you're feeling alone, just swirl your left arm, and then if you're feeling alone and like no one's around, bring your right arm around, bring your left arm up, and then right arm goes up to your forehead like this. Don't be afraid, I am with you. And then you're gonna exit off where you came from, just like that. All right, thank you.